Hello everybody, welcome back to MachineStation. Today we have a Doosan Puma 400LC. This machine was manufactured in 2007. It comes equipped with a Fanuc 21i TV control. It has a 21-inch 3-jaw big bore hydraulic chuck and A115 spindle with a 7.1-inch bore. 86 inches between centers, a 12-station automatic turret, tool presetter, hydraulic chuck, hydraulic quill. For full specifications, I will list it in the description below. Let's take a look at this machine. Well, there you have it, the Doosan Puma 400LC. For any further questions at all, call us at 909-919-9600 or jump over to our website, www.machinestation.us. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.